Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a restore point on your Windows 11 PC. If you run into any issues, you can restore your computer to the previous settings. So this is very easy. Just going down to search, type in restore point, and you should be able to see an option that's called create a restore point. Open this up. We got this little box right here, and we want to go on over now to protection. So go to your Windows C drive right here. You can see because it's got this little window symbol next to it. Go to configure, and we have to turn on protection. If you don't have this turned on, you won't be able to create a restore point and apply this. And then we can go to create a restore point right here and just name it. So maybe Tim2 or something. And if we can see this option, create a restore point, we know it's working. And you can see I have all these different options for my different drives. So like my volume G drive external, and we have the option to turn on protection. So we can just turn that on. We have to select each individual drive and go to configure. And this restore point seems like it's going to take, I don't know, like 30 seconds to do. Then if we ever get to the problem with, if we ever have a problem with our computer, just come back here, go to system restore. This little box should open up, restore system files and settings, and we can go to next. And there we have Tim2. We can just select it, and then we can restore a computer from that point that we created. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.